If you guys want to shop Zara pieces at the price points of Roadster or Mustang Harbor, you're gonna see them in this video, guys. What's up, my stylish people? This is Ishank. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you guys can see all the pieces which I picked from the recent Zara sale. Even though the sale started long way back in December, I picked all of the pieces last week because if you guys are following my channel since that time, you must be already aware that you have to shop during the fag end of the sales. For each and every piece I'm talking in this video, I will make sure that there is a link in the description below, but however, most often than not, they will be out of stock. So you might be thinking what exactly they use from this video. Please take the cue from what kind of items you need to target during the sale times, starting with the pieces number 1 and 2. Both are the trench coats. That's why I have mentioned both of them together, starting with the piece number 1. If you guys can see here, this is a beige brown checkered trench coat from Zara, which is actually crazily priced at 9,000 rupees. If I have to be brutally honest with you guys, this is not even worth more than that 5,000 price point in case if you have to buy this as a new arrival. That's as simple as that. I got a 65% off on this one and I got this at a price point of 3,000 rupees. Generally, considering where I am staying in, I don't need trench coats throughout the year, or I can say mostly throughout the year. I never experimented with my style when it comes to a trench coat, so I just wanted to give it a try because of the price points I am getting for. It may not be a super versatile piece in my wardrobe because I'm not getting much use out of it, but nevertheless, I just wanted to give it a try. Color combination, it's so subtle, and being the pattern, the checkered pattern, I think it's going to be a statement piece in my wardrobe, at least when I get a chance to wear. I feel that it's worth, but don't ever invest 9,000 rupees in these kind of trench coats if you want to buy it as a new arrival, guys. Moving on specific to the piece number 2, it's an olive green trench coat from Zara, which is also priced at 9,000 rupees, and I got this at a price point of 3,600 rupees. I went with the medium size because that's the starting size for this trench coat, and it's a loose fitting trench coat unlike the previous one. So initially I was a little bit apparent on going with the medium size. Generally for trench coats or something which have that loose fit aspect to it, I generally size down in order to get a proper fit to it, but for this one I just went ahead with that loose fitting because that's the only option, that's the least option available when it comes to sizing. However, a minor disqualifier I consider would be the color is a little bit faded, guys, so it won't be that flattering. Comparing both the pieces, this is the piece that have a resemblance closer to the trench coat appeal because of the belt which wraps around it. Starting with the piece number 3, this is a checkered shirt from Zara, which I got it in a size of small because it's a relaxed fit. This is a combination which I'm looking for from quite some time. The statement color or the base color for this shirt is green or olive green color, and if you guys don't know, olive green is one of my favorite. And also this olive green not being too vibrant or a flashy kind of olive green, I think it suits well and it can be super versatile. And the shirt have a slight creased effect to it, and also the material is little thicker, so it may be much more useful during the winter seasons rather than using during the summer seasons. Moving on to the piece number 4, it is a maroon color or a brownish maroon I can call. Floral printed shirt from Zara, which I got it in a medium, and it's a relaxed fit because the size is not available in small. I have gone with this medium size. I felt that maroon or a brownish maroon with this black and creamish color leaves looks so cool to me. It is priced at 2,790 and I got this at a crazy price point of 990 rupees. Top wear is something which I keep on buying during the new arrivals because I have to stay updated and provide value to you guys. So I keep on shopping when it comes to top wear. When it comes to bottom wear, always invest in the basic colors and basic pieces so that you will get most value out of them. The fit of this is great, even though it's a bit loose to my liking. If you tuck in this shirt during the summer seasons with the flowy vibe you're gonna get and use a neutral piece lower with a white sneaker, simple outfit, but you're gonna look super stylish. So that's the basic ideology behind picking this one. Moving with the piece number 5, this is a slim fit white color jeans from Zara, which I got it in a size of 31. These are priced at 2,290, but I got this at a price point of 990 rupees because this is the end of the sale time. I think for some reason no one wanted to buy this white slim fit 90s jeans, which are also called as essential jeans from Zara, because of some reason, maybe because of how it fits. That's why it never went out of stocks from the start of the sale until date. when I'm shooting this video. When it comes to the fit of this jeans, it is a slim straight cut jeans and it is a slightly higher waisted jeans. So this is something which you can wear really during the summer seasons, because summer seasons most of the times I do wear Cuban collars or the shirts which have a relaxed fit to it. So I thought white is something which I can wear more during the summer seasons, and this fit being a slimmer to relaxed, even though it's a slim straight cut, it have that straight cut, right? So it looks a little bit relaxed. When it comes to white color and essential jeans, I agree it's not too flattering. Maybe length, I will get that altered. But overall, the fit, the straight cut is something which you need to invest when it comes to 2021, guys, because that is the trend. Straight cut jeans, straight cut pants, you're gonna see a lot in this year. Trust me, you're gonna see a lot from different brands. Moving on to the trouser number 5 or a pant number 5. These are the easy pants, and if you guys can see here, this is a technical pant from Zara. Please don't judge these pants based on how they look when it comes to the material compositions and how stretchy they are. For most of you guys, it may seem like a track pant, but however, it do have a dressy aspect as well, or a semi-casual aspect as well with how it has been designed. Overall, these are one of my favorites, and Zara do release them season after season. And these are priced at 4,490 and I got it at a price point of 2,800. It's not a crazy bargain because it is just 40% off. But considering it's a black color and I'm gonna use it a lot, so I felt that it's a good investment. Moving on to the next trouser. It is a Traveler Series black color jogger from Zara, which I got it in a size of 30, which equals to size small. It is priced at 3,000 rupees and I got it for 990 rupees. For 990 rupees, it is a must have. Obviously, Zara is going to release them season after season. If not for this season, you may get it for next season as well. However, H&M already do have some alternative which look exactly same even with the material composition. Actually, you don't need much ironing to it because of the material compositions. It's so simple. The fit is not skinny fit, so it's going to be super versatile when compared to the previous trouser. Moving on to the next pant. Actually, it's a jeans. It is a Zara light blue washed loose and cropped jeans. And also, it is a straight cut jeans, guys. If you guys don't know, as I mentioned already, straight cut is something which you need to invest. Right now, if you ask me, I am generally going with only two fits when it comes to jeans or when it comes to trousers. One is the oversized or loose fit, or you can call it as a regular to baggy fit, and the other is skinny fit. For slim fit, I'm not a big fan of, even though I got that slim fit 90s jeans that also have a straight cut to it. This is a loose crop jeans with a straight cut to it, and these are priced at 990 rupees during the sale time. And these are like really cropped. If you are not a big fan of cropped jeans and if you don't like that vibe, these are not for you guys. Overall, Zara jeans generally they do offer great quality, and this is slightly higher waisted as well. If you pair these with the black high top Converse sneakers or a black high top chunky boots, it's going to be really good. This color is something which gives that summer vibe or summer appeal when it comes to the clothes. So this is a must have fade or a light wash you need to have when it comes to the jeans. If not for the Zara jeans, make sure that you go for these kind of jeans when it comes to the summer seasons. Moving on to the next two trousers. These are actually the cargo pants with a technical fabric from Zara. These two have these strings attached at the waist area in order to customize the waist area, and also at the end of the trouser as well. Technical joggers or joggers with practical utility purpose, not the joggers which you can associate with the cotton material and big bulky pockets, which baggy pockets. But these kind of joggers where the pockets are for the utility purpose. And here if you can see, this is so cool, guys. They do have like two pockets. This have a separate pocket this side and a separate pocket on the other side. It have a slimmer to slightly looser fit when it comes to the sizing. I went ahead with the medium size because for these kind of a technical joggers, you don't want that fit to be on the skinnier side. So it's better to go for the slimmer fit when it comes to the joggers. And for a price point of 1300, I got these for 1300 for this one and 1300 for the olive green one. I went with both the colors because black is my favorite and also olive green is my favorite, and I can get most use of them. These are actually priced at 4,490. For 4,490, they are too pricey, guys. Never ever invest 4,490 for these joggers. For a price point of 1300, of course, yes, must have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did so, please make sure that you click the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. In case if you wanted to see outfit inspirations with these pieces, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at @seshank_FIS. That's it for me. See you guys next time.